Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am Kyle with Limitless Power Sports Service and Repair. What I got going on today, I got a 2004 Honda TRX 250EX. Pretty simple job we're going to do. We're going to adjust the valves in this thing. It's got two valves, really simple. It's a tappet adjuster. The valves, the intake and exhaust are both set at 5,000, so it's a very simple job to do. It takes no time at all. We just got to pull the seat off, some plastics, and you get right to the valve, set it at the top dead center, and then we'll knock out the valves real quick.
But I learned how to walk and I taught myself how to run. Been moving so fast now, running the past, can only do that for so long. But I still got the fire, I'm a midnight flyer with this one thing that I know. I didn't do this on my own. I didn't do this on my own. I stood on a line of shoulders and I kept the wolves at bay. Each time I heard no, I went and done it anyway.
Alright guys, I know we've seen these in a past video. These here, my valve lash gauge set and my tappet adjuster here. I will put links in the description for both of these. Like I said before, this is at 5 thousandths clearance on the intake and exhaust. Just show you quickly here that we are lined up on the T. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me try to find my flashlight to help get a better view here. We are lined up on the T. It might be hard for you guys to see in there. Right there. And the piston is at top dead center. But our valve lash, really tight. So definitely way out of adjustment. We're going to go ahead and give those 5,000 clearance on each one. Very simple job. All right, guys, like I said, very simple job with this tool here. We just stick it on, break it loose. Ow. Don't smash my fingers. And we'll just loosen the tappet up, set it on there. Oh, wow. Loosen that tappet way up till we get some play in that valve clearance, which is, now we got some clearance in there. And we'll go ahead and take our feeler gauge, stick it right in the middle of that. We will tighten the tappet back up until it gets kind of tight in there. We can barely move it. And then we'll go ahead and tighten the nut back up, hold this in place. Bam. Check it. Feels really good right there at 5 thou. Check it one more time, goes right in. And we do the same thing on the front. I know the angle's kind of bad for you guys on this one. Same thing on the front here. If I can get myself down on there at a good angle. Break it loose. Again, loosen this guy up. Just some play in the tappet. Got good play. Feeler gauge underneath it. Same spot, same way, nothing changes between the two. Very simple. Tighten it back down till you can just have a little bit of tension on that feeler gauge. That feels pretty good there. Check that. We're going to grab a 6 thousandths, stick it in there real quick. Make sure that doesn't fit. That way we know we are perfectly at 5 thousandths here. Here's our 6 thousandths feeler gauge. Check the intake. Will not go. Check the exhaust. exhaust it does go, so we'll adjust that just a little bit tighter. It's always a good thing to double check to make sure you're within factory tolerance and spec. If I can get the brake loose here again. There we go. Five thou. Grab a 6/1000 again. Check one more time. It does not go, so there we go. Now both our valves are in spec. They were crazy tight on this thing. It did start up and run pretty decent, but got to keep up on the maintenance on these things, guys. Valve checks, spark plugs. I am going to put a new spark plug in here because the one that is in it is a little bit fouled out. And that's it, man. That's all we got to this one, guys. That's how you adjust the valves on this 2004 Honda TRX 250EX. If you got any questions, remember you can always comment down below. Shoot me an email at limitlesspowersports78@gmail.com. Motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, whatever it is you need, guys, let me know. I'll catch you guys on the next one.